Hi, this is Dee with Keep It Tight Sisters on vacay in St. Thomas. Today, I want to introduce you to golden apple. This is a ripe golden apple. In some other regions of the Caribbean, it's called Pommeoythere, also called Ambarella. And this usually comes out during the Christmas season. And it is a very fibrous fruit. It has a thick, leathery skin, but it is so delicious. This is one where you actually have to peel it. You can't just bite into it like you would a mango because the skin is so thick. So this is what it looks like. And when you peel it, you have these slices, and these slices are very delicious, very juicy, but again, very fibrous. One golden apple has about 5 grams of fiber, and it has about half of your vitamin C needs for the day. And this is what it looks like green. These were picked yesterday from our backyard. Still with the stems on. And these were actually picked about a week ago. They riped up really nicely. These actually came from my brother's yard, but the green ones actually came from my backyard. And so in the summer, I like to talk to you about how much I like mangoes. Well, in the Christmas season, the golden apples, Now, one of the things about the golden apple is this is what the seed looks like. By the time you're done eating it, it looks real spindly, spiny. Again, very, very fibrous. And eating the golden apple sometimes can not, maybe not be a very pretty thing, especially if you really like it. So I like to just peel it whole and dive into it. Obviously, there are fancy ways to cut up a golden apple and eat it. Golden apple can be made into jams, wines, and jellies, but if they are green, or I should say if they're full but still looking green, you can also make them into chutneys. Very delicious chutneys, pickled, which goes very well with different types of meat, but the golden apple. And I will actually go ahead also and show you what the golden apple tree looks like. It can grow, maybe as high as 30 feet. And I will turn the camera and see if we can get good shots of the golden apple tree. You can see there's some small ones on the tree, and I am up about 3 stories, and the tree is still higher than where I am. It's almost at the top of the roof of the house. Okay, golden apple, very nutritious, fibrous, a little tough. You don't normally see these in American supermarkets, but they are certainly worth the wait. Enjoy.